It is March the 1st, and the rains have come to Harabacoa in the mountains of the Dominican Republic. This ditch runs between my neighbors and comes down on the back of our property, and then it ends up dropping over into this huge ravine. And in the far side of this ravine is a natural spring, and then this is a seasonal bit of a river, that actually a stream, Rial, that runs. And this ditch has been quite a challenge, especially when it is very tropical rainfall, because a lot of water will come washing down it. So it has created quite a bit of an erosion problem downslope. And I've had to address this erosion problem in a very unique way by putting in some swales. And what I've done is I've taken a lot of my bamboo, cut down various parts of my bamboo forest, and I've laid it on contour in this particular area, and then put a little bit of soil behind it. And now I'm zigzagging the water, but I also dug it a little bit on the deeper side so that we could place and rather catch the water. And here we actually see the water in a form of a berm that is now holding some water and enabling the water to go down into the ground. What I'm really hoping long term is that we'll get more of this runoff into the groundwater instead of just running out into the stream that is down below us and further eroding the hill and carrying silt and various things over to Norte de Yaca, the main river. We really have to think about water management and how do we end up controlling water from becoming destructive, erosive. Also, we live in an area where we can get a very serious hurricane. If we got a very serious hurricane, we may not get the hurricane winds, but we will get the hurricane rains. And that hurricane rains are extremely destructive. So what I'm trying to establish is a way of managing water around and on our property, getting that water into the ground, because in July and August, we actually have quite a serious drought. July, August, sometimes September, if we do not get a storm. And we go into water restrictions. So the water management is really, really critical. And I'm using bamboo as a way of helping to put very strong fibrous roots to hold the property together, to prevent erosion, and then absorb water. And a lot of this water will go into the culms of the bamboo. Here are some bamboo roots that we can see, and they will actually absorb the water, and then up into the culms it shall travel. So water management is critical on a mountain slope, critical in how you put in your roads, where you put your property, and how you manage your landscape.